Let's do a quick recap of 2023 before the year is over. Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, compliments of the season and Happy New Year in advance. Because if for one thing, it should be a Happy New Year. Because this year has been so long. This has to be one of my longest year. And that's probably because of every single thing that happened throughout this year. There were so many activities, from service to starting a 9 to 5 job, to leaving a 9 to 5 job, to starting a YouTube channel. Just so many things happened this year, and it's understandable that I felt so long. Only this year Tinubu came. Only this year Tinubu scatter our fuel. Only this year dollar scatter. Only this year we look for money. I don't just wow. To imagine that all these things happened in 1 year is scary. But what can we say? Happy that the year is almost coming to an end and excited for 2024. I don't know. It feels like 2024 is about to be very good. At least that's how I feel. Something about 2024 excites me so much. I don't know, but I'm thinking this is just, I'm manifesting it, to say, because I feel so excited for 2024. There's no nervousness about what the new year brings, because it feels like anyhow, this new year is about to be amazing for me, and I hope for lots of people also. So, yeah, the year is almost over. And I think one of the biggest lessons I learned this year was to make decision based on myself and not other people. Because this same year was the same year I had to start adulting. Because they give you crash course to adulting. You just wake up one day and see that now this is where you are now. You have to start making life-changing decisions for yourself. So I think this year I made a lot of decisions that on a normal day I would have needed help, and probably did need help, but had to know that at this point in time I have to be making these decisions myself. And I guess another thing that I probably learned this year was that sometimes God will place you in some unlikely places for you to learn some other new things that you didn't expect. Like this year, I got to learn a couple of new things about myself. I've always said I'm an introvert. Yeah, I've always said I don't like to talk to people. But this year, I kind of found out that, honestly, I am an introvert by choice, because I know that I can be extroverted when I want to be. And sometimes I actually do enjoy people's company. Maybe not for a long time, but I do enjoy people's company at times. And this same year, I also noticed that it gets as it be. Yeah, there are certain places you drop me and you can give me, if you give me 2 years, I will still be as quiet as someone who just appeared there. So I guess, I don't know, being an introvert has been kind of something that I use as my personal image. Anybody ask me, I don't talk. But this year, I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I also became very much comfortable with my space. Meaning, if I don't want to, I'm not going to. It doesn't matter who you are, what you do, what you say. And did that help me? It did, because it helps me avoid a lot of things. I told somebody this year that being an introvert helps me avoid a lot of things that on a normal day will feel like headache to a lot of young people. Or because I choose when and when not to speak and when not to engage, there are certain things that would have happened that didn't happen. And I don't have a lot of drama in my life, and I'm grateful for it, because there are certain occasions or certain situations I've been in that I know if I had spoken at a certain time or said some certain things, there would have been drama that I don't like. So I'm grateful to be an introvert, to be honest. And yeah, apart from that, this year, Tinubu showed me something. Where do I start from? From the fact that when I first started service, I was using both up and down. Like, my father is Tinubu. It's my father that became president. And then when it dawned on me that my father isn't president, and yeah, I started using public transport. And not only did this public transport show me shaggy from the amount of drama I was facing in public transport. Something is fun because you just see a lot of chaos and a lot of characters inside public transport. But then there are days that I would sit and I'm like, God, how did I end up here? Why? And I would literally sit myself and be thinking, now because I enter public transport, this thing did happen. So yeah. I think the worst thing that happened to me in public transport is that I lost my phone. Like, I don't think I've ever lost my phone in my entire life. It was the first time. But lose some, win some, right? Because if I didn't lose my phone, I wouldn't have gotten a new one. So I guess that's like, I don't know, a good thing. But still, I don't like losing my phone because it was like, I had to start thinking, wait though, I no carry this phone. No where I drop am. Okay, let's call it for a minute and see. Maybe there's a good Samaritan, so maybe people are not that bad, you know. This same year I had the worst braiding experience I've had, because I think before this year, the last time I braided my hair was around 2020. So I haven't really braided my hair. Just to go and braid my hair, and when they were calling the price for me, I was like, it's impossible. What do you mean you braid hair for 20k? Like, what is in the hair? I don't understand. Does it come with, why is it that expensive? You know, minus the extensions you had to buy for the hair and other things. And I'm like, okay, let's do this hair. And if, you know what, let me know even that it's the money that pay me, because if it was less, I'd say, okay, maybe I got my money's worth. But the hair was bad, and I think I carried it for like a week or two. And just because of that experience, I told myself, I am not going to go to any salon anymore to make my hair. And ever since then, I think that happened like in February, I've been making my hair myself, because I am not about to spend that amount of money again for nonsense. It's not possible. At least if I do nonsense with my hand, let me know, and only with my full chest. Not that I will pay you for comfort and something, and you will do nonsense with my hair. Why? Please, times are hard. I can't be giving people money for free. You know, if you're going to collect money from me, let the money be worth it. So yeah, that also happened this year. And I think the most unexpected thing that happened this year was this YouTube channel, because I don't think in years anybody would have expected me to open a YouTube channel. In fact, I don't think I even expected myself to be able to open a YouTube channel. But I think I always thought about it like having a YouTube channel, but like it was just a passing thought in my head. I never knew I was actually going to open one. And even this year, when I started thinking of opening a YouTube channel, it took me months. Like, I would say I would open a YouTube channel, what do I want to put on it? And I'll sit back, maybe I don't actually need a YouTube channel, maybe I don't want a YouTube channel. To be fair, I wanted it. I didn't really need a YouTube channel, but I wanted it. And even when I was like, okay, yeah, today is the day I open a YouTube channel, and I set up the YouTube channel, I did the name and everything, I made cover arts for it and all that. And then even after doing that, I still spent like 2 to 3 extra months putting nothing on the channel. I was like, Princess, start this thing. And when I even had enough time to say, okay, maybe I can make videos, I made the first introduction video and never posted it. I made the second one, I did not post it. And the funniest thing was, the one I even made as the introduction video was very unexpected. I can't really remember the details of what I was doing that day, and I just told myself, just make a YouTube video, just make an introduction, don't overthink it. And I sat down, I made an introduction, and the next, I think that night I edited it, and I posted it the next day. I didn't want to think about it too much because I knew if I sat on that video for more than a day, it was not going to be posted. And to be honest, that was all I needed to do. I just needed to post. And when I posted, it was like, it just prompted me to do more. Because they're just little things like people saying, oh, I saw your YouTube video and I've been wanting to start one. And now that I've seen it, I would actually start mine. And I'm like, I'm just starting. And those, I think it was like, it's just 1 or 2 comments. And it's like, wow, it's encouraging more than people even know. Someone also messaged me about how I edit my videos. And it was weird because I was like, doesn't it show that an amateur is editing this video? And it was kind of comforting to see that even as little as you're just starting, people are actually taking some type of liking to this. And I'm like, oh, maybe it does make sense. And because of just this YouTube channel, I had to restart my Instagram, even though I lost my Instagram like months ago. I opened a new Instagram. I opened Facebook that I've not used for a while, and I still don't understand how to use Facebook. I just don't understand that app. And I had to be more consistent in posting and other things. I started posting that are not really my style of posting, but now are my style of posting. So yeah. And to be honest, I've enjoyed this YouTube channel for a while because everything I post here is something I like. And while I'm posting it, even though I'll be happy if it gets a lot of attention, I'm still posting it as a thing of, I like this video, I edited it, I like the editing, I like what happened in the video, so I'm going to post it. So just because I didn't want to put too much attention on how the video is doing or not, every time I post a video and I share it to like my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok, after that I don't even check any other thing about the video. I just leave it until I'm posting the next video. Then I check, oh, how is this video doing? Sometimes I even forget that I actually have a YouTube channel, which even like before I even posted this, I had to go and check back on my YouTube studio to see how my videos are doing. And I'm like, they're not doing too good, but oh well, let's post the next one, so I don't put too much tension on myself. But apart from that, this year is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, because of a lot of things happened. I'm excited for what 2024 has to bring. 2024. I'm very much excited, not going to lie. And I hope this excitement carries on. And I wish everybody a happy new year and a great year in 2024. Whatever it is you have planned for 2024, I hope it comes to pass. Let God give you whatever your heart desires according to his wishes also. So yeah, that's it. And happy new year once again. I hope you had a great 2023, and I hope you have a better and greater 2024. Let's all meet in 2024.